Hi guys, in this video I am telling you very nice WordPress plugin OpenAI article writer and ChatGPT. By this plugin help you to write your WordPress website's article post like ChatGPT. You have to just give keywords and instruction he will write you. Its price is 39. This plugin link will be in the description. You can go and check this plugin how it's work. It's very helpful. Also there is video is present here and screenshots and live preview. You can check the features of this plugin. This is very helpful for WordPress websites. Also you can integrate all the things here mentioned and do these things there is mentioned. You can also integrate ChatGPT on your WordPress website. So guys, buy this plugin. This plugin is very helpful. It is new in the market. Thanks.